Well done everybody. The fact that I'm talking to you right now means that we're at the end of the year, and it's my privilege to be able to just sum things up. So first of all, look, thank you to everybody that's contributed to such a positive year. To the Board of Trustees, to our amazing parent support group, to the parent body in general, to our alumni, to our teachers, but most of all to our students. It's been difficult coming back, moving from hybrid learning to fully back face-to-face, but despite a few challenges and bumps in the road, I think you've adapted really well. I think we can be proud of the journey we've taken and the things that we've achieved, and I think we can also look forward to starting the year in a positive fashion and moving forward in our new normal. So once again everybody, thank you very much. I wish you all the very best for the holiday break. You know what challenges you're going to face next year. Make sure you reflect upon your reports, focus on those areas that you need to focus upon, and look for the help and support that we will give you here at Sekolah Ciputra. But most of all, thank you so much. It's such a privilege to be here, such a privilege to be your principal. God bless you. Have a great holiday.